So part of the concept under a general contractor, one thing that we have developed and brought to the industry that nobody else has is that we have the ability to customize solutions as they relate to hardware maintenance. Hardware maintenance as to what? So in a client's enterprise environment, they have servers, routers, firewalls, switches. They also have equipment that is in the sales office, scanners, printers, fax machines, etc. So the key aggravation in the industry has been a matter of how do you manage the overall expense? How do you manage all of those assets? How do you manage the device, etc.? So we engage our friends at AT&T to inquire how it is they are managing this expense and these particular devices. So from scratch, we built a custom solution that answered a few problems for AT&T. One, because we were able to customize the solution down to the device, that is key. We do it by providing a mix of OEM, third party, and break-fix maintenance provider. So we were able to lower operating expense as well as provide additional cost savings, which is a nice benefit. But in addition, we also saw a need where the client wanted to have a mechanism for managing the assets in a single consolidated portal, and we were able to develop this particular solution from soup to nuts. So let's hear from AT&T.
What I was starting to find a lot of problem with is having to keep up with maintenance. As we were building these networks and some existing networks that were already built previous to me, find out equipment didn't have maintenance on it. And it was very painful going through the process, getting it done. When I engaged CMS, told me about how he has this hybrid maintenance, which incorporates more than just one company, all under one roof. And I was very interested in that just from the fact of not having to chase everything down separately. Putting it all down as one and having it managed in one spot was a good idea. So what we did is we put together a trial. The trial worked out really well. And since then, we've actually implemented it throughout our nationwide network. CMS was very flexible in what they wanted to do, all the way from doing custom crash kits to having stuff on inventory for any kind of a replacement that was needed. And then overall, just being very willing to make any changes on the portal and everything, just making our lives much easier and not having to worry about doing this, because maintenance was nothing but pain, pure pain prior to this. And now it's become a lot easier to manage, and it's the updates when the contracts come due. Everything, CMS is on top of that. Any questions or concerns, we were always able to get a hold of Nick and get any of our questions answered. It's been valuable in all senses just to get to the end goal of reducing our pain.